Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're out in the Skyline. We're back down at YRO Motors. We're trying to get the warrant for the Skyline after the repairs we've done. Damn, what a nice day to be out cruising in the R32. Have to admit, got some serious love for spending time in this car. It brings back so many memories. So we're legit, boys. Skyline passed its warrant. Good to roll over summer. Absolutely stoked to have this back on the road and be able to actually go out and enjoy it. So I had to do a few little repairs and fix a few little maintenance-y things, but it's back on the road. Down here at YRO Motors, it's not all about car mods, sometimes it's about motorhome mods. Got the homie T-Bone here, swapping his tyres out, gonna do a big trip over summer. Got serious love for this motorhome. All sorts of cars down here. Had our mate down here in his RX-8 just before. We've got Dan's MX-5 chilling there. That's all gone back together. It's going to be back on the road for summer. My homie Dan's recently also picked this awesome FC out. Series 5 FC, rebuilt 13B Bridgeport motor, turbo. Awesome in black. It's getting a tune next week so he can come out driving with us. Such a tidy car for its age. Looks absolutely awesome. Cool like front bumper and lip. Then we've got another homie Kirk's RX-8. This is a car he's recently put back together. Was a friend of ours previous to that and had been sitting for a very long time. He's just had it recomplied back on the road. It's actually a Mazda Speed RX-8, so it's got all the cool factory aero and sitting on some inky wheels. It's going to be a sweet summer cruiser. Kirk's got a bunch of rotaries, and this is his sort of weekend cruiser, I suppose. Real tidy car. Actually really like this and the colour and the kit combo. Sweet ride. So guys, when I was 19 I picked up my first R32 Skyline. 20 years later, on my birthday, turning 39 today, thought I'd take my R32 out to where it all began, on Auckland's North Shore. This is Devonport, beautiful spot where we used to come cruising and hanging out with mates. Couldn't help but take the R32 out on this beautiful day, enjoy the sunshine, and bringing back some good memories. Cruising the bays in the R32, that's what we used to do back in the day. Now in Milford, heading on to Castor Bay. Pretty sweet drive, beautiful day, it's absolutely scorching out here. It's so hot in the R32, but couldn't be happier, absolutely loving it.